Universal Fishing Gear Solutions is a reliable and innovative manufacturer of fishing reels and rods, located in Indonesia's Central Java. We offers a wide range of productions, including reels injection, hobbing, painting, printing, and assembly. Also offers rods cutting prepreg, modeling, sanding, grinding, spray painting, painting, printing, label, deco, sticker, assembling, wrapping. Universal Fishing Gear Solutions can produce 30K reels per month, and 3K rods per month. Our team are all skilled professionals who are dedicated to the manufacturing process.